This final race for qualifying here today at Lydden Hill. It's Matti Alamaki already in the lead with John Welch tucking in there inside. Hands to pass switches to the inside as John drifts wide and watch out. Oh dear. Well, John suddenly spins. Well, I should say the two drivers will be able to talk to each other at least.
Yes, they seem to have a little love session there, the two of them, as Matti Alamaki continues on his way through Devil's Elbow. He's now got to try and set a good time here. He's got a clean run, and Peter Brown coming up in second place, and then Hands to Pass, and finally John Welch continuing.
I was expecting to see a number 6 on one car and number 9 on the other, but enough of that as we watch Matti Alamaki come through. I wonder what John will be thinking, because we saw his car suddenly turn sideways. I wondered what had happened, if something had broken, but no, it hadn't, because right into the side of him came Hands to Pass. And someone, number 33, Hands to Pass, has been given a 10-second penalty by the marshals as he came past the start line. Therefore, not only has he dropped back down the field, but he's taking John Welch. He's now got to make up 10 seconds.
And John Welch is going through. I think his gander's up. He was annoyed with that. I think he had a bit of help from Hands to Pass for that. That's the reason he spun. And John Welch, his gander's up, and he's gone through into third place as Alamaki continues. In the lead, Peter Brown, let's not forget him from England, he's going well in second place as John Welch is closing on him.
Yes, and look at the dent in the door there, that I think is metro-shaped, if you were to look at it very closely, but John now is half a lap down on the leader. He's got an awful lot of ground to make up, but he's got 9th fastest in his first run. He didn't do too bad in his second run. I think we'll see John out in one of the finals at least.
And Peter Brown coming under pressure here from John Welch. He'll get a slingshot through here. And is he going to go through on the inside? No, Peter Brown's held him off. He's gone well, but remember, John Welch has had a big circular moment as he challenges on the outside and should go through. There he goes with the big dent in the STP door.
And you can see John there a lot smoother at the wheel of that Opel compared to the man we were looking at earlier, Tershi. Now, Tershi is the fastest man in these third runs, 2:35.9.
As Alamaki now on his last lap coming in, he's just got Chesson drifted very sideways, coming up onto the tarmac. 100 metres to go. Alamaki wins as he likes, really, never challenged from the start, and it'll be interesting to see how his time is with Terry O'Shea, who so far has the fastest time. Then comes Steve Palmer on 2:38.2, then equal Bolnasek and Lestander on 38.7.
Yeah, well, second place there eventually goes to John Welch. In third place, it's going to be Peter Brown, and Hands to Pass is down in 4th spot. Then he'll also have 10-second penalty added to that. I wonder if we'll see Hands out in the finals, and I also wonder whether John Welch is going to go over and have a few words with the Dutch driver once they've gone back to the paddock.